Hi friends, welcome back to the new playlist, and you can able to see my previous playlist called Azure DevOps with the Docker, how we can able to do and all the things I explained, right? All the basics I explained there. And again, now we are going to see for Azure DevOps how you can able to create the account, how you can able to create the pipeline scripting and all we are going to see in this particular sections. Okay, one by one I will show you how you can able to easily to create. Okay, after this completion, and I'm a testers and testers also will expect for tester format of because my playlist also require uh, doing for testing perspective, and the same thing they will also think for any Python project or something Selenium, Java, or Cypress or something they will expect, right? For them purpose also I'll do for end of the sessions. Okay, I'll try to make another videos for them also. Okay, here the basic how the pipelines will execute. Any member can able to how they can able to execute like that. I'm going to use simplest way. Before that, why Azure DevOps is basically means it is a continuous integration and continuous deliverables. Okay, it's a pipelines creation. The similar format of Jenkins we are going to do for Azure DevOps. Azure DevOps is a more like a Microsoft. They will go to provide you for integration to you. You can able to do for very easily. Okay, you can do for coding. After coding they can able to create for any build and developers and testers and production like that we can able to do it. If you want to dependency you want to create, you can able to create for dependency for two builds, which is a developers and which is a QA member, or which is a once the dev team is deployed perfectly and the QA team is executed, both the builds are perfect, then only you can able to go for stage, or you can go for production. Like that we can able to make some dependency also with the easiest way. Okay, before starting this particular session, what are the prerequisites is required to you to do that? First one, you need for one account in Azure DevOps. Azure DevOps. One account is required. Then you need to install for VS Code as well. VS Code or any other language also fine. Any other IDE also fine. You need to change the code and you need to commit the code. That you have to do it. Okay. But VS Code is the very lightweight and you can able to easily install and easily plug in. That is the one. Okay. That's why we are going to most of the time like any member will go for VS Code. Okay. How you can able to create account? For this, you need to search with the Azure DevOps. Search with Google and Azure DevOps. Once you search the Azure DevOps, you can able to see there are things are presented, and also Microsoft having for Azure DevOps services. Okay, this is the main service. Okay, these all are step functions like normal way it will comes. Okay, but you can go for Microsoft Azure DevOps services. Click that particular one. Once you click it, and you can able to see there is a trial version and service GitHubs and everything, and here also. Okay, and you can able to see if there is a free account of creation and start free. Anything is okay fine for that. Okay, once you click this particular one, it will ask you. I have already. That's why it is already by default. It is created. We should not create immediately. Log out this one because automatically it is logged in. Start free. Shit. Okay, no problem. We'll go for the documentation location. Once you click the start free, okay. Once you click the start free, it will ask you for account creation. Okay, you can go for account creation for that particular things. Okay, I have Opera. I'll open Opera. We'll see. And here, first one, and then start free. Once you click the start free, and it will ask you for like this. If you have the account, you can able to, if you required Microsoft account is mandatory. If you have the account, you can able to go ahead inside, otherwise you can click for account creation. Once you click the account creation, which type of account, a personal account or working account. If you have working account, then you can use it, or else you can go for personal. Once you click the personal account, and it will ask you for some couple of things to provide username, and choosing that, okay, you can go ahead for remaining all the things. Okay, once you created for all of this password, and then you can able to get for this particular starting for which project you want to start, the project name and all you can able to provide, and project visibility you can provide for public or private, anything. If you want to use for your personal way, you can keep it for private, or if you want to, you can, anybody can able to use it for public wise, you can provide for private also, sorry, public also. Okay, anything is fine, united, and you can choose for remaining things, and you can click for submit for that. Okay, then it will go for Azure DevOps location. This is the location it will launch, and this is a when you providing your name of that particular account, right, that basically it will give you for your name. My name is Gorantla Lokesh 77, it is provided. Don't worry about the project, and you can able to create n number of projects from there. Okay, and this is the pipelines and everything. Okay, and we can able to see from here, and this is the launching place it will comes. Okay, I have already one particular sample project it is presented. Okay, and how you can able to create one new project from that particular account. This is my account. In this account, we can able to create n number of projects and n number of pipelines. There is no limit. Okay, the free of cost also they are providing. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, and you can able to see from here, you can able to learn so many things, and they are providing all the things. Okay, if you click for free account, and here also they will provide for some set of information how they're providing popular services free for 12 months. Okay, if you go for free, then you can able to up to 12 months popular services you can able to get it. Okay, and that also you can able to see cross platform mobile experience also it will be presented. Okay, these are 12 months of experience, 750 hours each of 1B and 2B labs of the things are presented. Okay, if you go for 55 other services for free always. Okay, if you want to start from USD, like payment wise, you need to pay for 1200 Azure credits. If you enroll, this is the one, you will have 30 days. Means if you choose this particular service, it will go for 30 days. Okay, please click for start free, then only it will be get for free. Otherwise, you pay as you go. If you want to pay 200, you can click for this pay as you go. Then parallel it will give for 30 days, and 30 days once it is completed, the service will be collapsed. Again, you have to pay for some money. Okay, this is a one approach you can able to do. And VS Code installation, I have, I think, one more thing. Yeah, I have PPT for installation. Okay, and here you need to search for VS Code downloader. Okay, and I'll maximize this one. Yeah, once you search that VS Code downloader, and you can able to see the first option which we can able to see, this is the one. Click that one, and you can able to navigate in this location. And here there is a Windows related stuff. If you are using Mac, or if you're using for Node.js, based upon that your system configuration, you can download this one. And then it will comes to your local, and then you can click for double click on that particular exe, and it will open this particular pop-up. There is accept is there, right? You need to accept, then only this particular next button will enable, otherwise it will be disabled. Okay, then it will show you the location where it is going to installing, and you can able to install for same location which it is suggested, or you can able to go for browse to where you want to install that particular plugin. Okay, then click on next, and click on the see if you want to see for VS Code, Visual Studio Code Editor, and you can able to keep it, otherwise you can click for next, and you can see there is no nothing to select here. Click on next, and here also click on install. Once you start the install, it will start for installation for this particular location. Once it is completed, you can able to see this particular window. Then click on finish. Once you finish, it will reopen that particular VS Code. Like this, it will open for VS Code. Okay, and even we can able to see how we can able to write and how we can able to do all the things we can able to see in the next video session time. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.